Howdy, race fans. The 2019 racing season has been very dynamic and exciting for the old school Scrambles Racing groups. Its sponsors, racers, and spectators alike, as half the season has seen phenomenal growth, moving from 100 participants at the beginning of the year to nearly 200 hitting the summer vacation.
Going to the corner, pick up my sweetie pie. She's the rock and roll baby, she's the apple of my eye. I'm ready, 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 I'm ready, 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 I'm ready. To rock and roll, all the flat top cats and our dungaree dolls are headed for the gym to the soccer ball. The junks really jumping, the cats are going wild. The music really see my dear, the great style. I'm ready, 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 and I'm ready, 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 and I'm ready, 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 and I'm ready, ready, ready to rock and roll. Pick up my sweetie pie, she's the rock and roll baby, she's the apple of my eye.